If you're good in your IQ, you might get in the game. But if you lack in your EQ, you will not win it. Do you know that 65% of our professional success depends upon our emotional intelligence? And today, more than ever, emotional intelligence is the most necessary skill for any professional working in the corporate world, especially in the VUCA world, where volatility, uncertainty, ambiguity is there. You need to understand how you can manage yourself, your people, and the relationships you have spent years to build. I, Dr. Arif Pyarali, is leading an open enrollment program on 26th of September in Karachi Marriott, where I talk about leading with emotional intelligence. And first time in Pakistan, we are introducing SWOT cards, where you would be having concrete strategies to take home as a reinforcement tool. And wherever you are stuck, you can just take that out and move on from that. So yeah, see you on 26th of September, where we talk about leading with emotional intelligence with our own trademark SWOT cards.